Hi guys, today I've got a very simple hack to share with you that will make your Google Home Mini fully portable so that you can move it around different rooms in your house and even take it away from your home Wi-Fi network and use it to its full functionality. Okay, first of all I'd like to thank Jonathan Poston who gave me the idea for this video in a comment on one of my other videos. He has an original Google Home and has a loft battery pack so that he can move it about. However, with the Google Home Mini, because it has a standard micro USB port, you can use a external power bank. So I've got a RAV Power 20,000 milliamp power bank here, and you can just plug it in like this, and that makes it portable, so you'll be able to move this around different rooms. It will connect to your Wi-Fi. You can see the light starting to turn on here, so once that connects you'll be able to use it just as you did normally when it was plugged into the wall. What's the capital of Russia?
Moscow is the capital of Russia.
Turn on the backlight.
Okay, turning the backlight on.
So there you can see it's working just as if it was plugged into the mains, answering questions and looking after my home devices. Okay, so that's great for allowing you to move it around your house and use it in different rooms easily, but as soon as you leave your home Wi-Fi network, if you wanted to take it out and about with you, it's no longer going to work. So I've turned off my Wi-Fi now to replicate this, and as soon as you try and use it...
I can't connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can reconnect to Wi-Fi from your Google Home app under Devices, then Set Up.
Okay, so the way around this is you need to use your mobile phone's mobile hotspot feature, which you can normally access from dragging down at the top and then holding your thumb where it says mobile hotspot. And then you need to change the name of your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot to exactly the same as it is for your home network, including all the right upper and lowercase numbers. And you also need to change the password so that it is exactly the same, again upper and lowercase sensitive. I've obviously blocked this out, but if you do that and then turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone, you'll soon start to see devices connecting, and then one of those should be Google Home shortly. Okay, there we go. So as you can see here, the Google Home has connected to this device. Sometimes it can take a minute, so we'll just give it a second and then it should work as usual. What's the capital of Italy?
Rome is the capital of Italy.
Play Go Your Own Way by Fleetwood Mac.
Go Your Own Way by Fleetwood Mac, sure. Playing on Google Play Music.
So as you can see, with this hack you can use your phone's Wi-Fi network to take this out and about with you and use it to its full functionality. Hope this was useful to you. If it was, please hit the subscribe button and give it a like, and stay tuned for more from Concise Reviews.